The University of Alabama's Safe State program offers environmental and occupational safety consulting services across Alabama. They recently partnered with simpleshow to communicate asbestos floor maintenance best practices to schools in Alabama on behalf of the Environmental Protection Agency. They had already tried to share the information through online PDFs and literature, but it was falling flat, and they needed a new and innovative way to engage people effectively. Thanks to simpleshow, the Safe State team was able to create concise and engaging explainer videos that improved content engagement, retention, and reach. The video was received so well that it was shared outside of the original target audience. The Safe State program has now expanded its scope to include other environmental health topics, such as mold and lead safety, and more people than ever have access to this critical safety information. Do you want to explain complex environmental health and safety policies in a simple way? Let's talk about how simpleshow can help you do that.